Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I realize I state the obvious when I say this, but what a drama fest today. Price absolutely all over the place, and at the end of the day, from a price action perspective, so let me make this very clear, I don't know anything about the company. I don't care about the company. So this is just strictly based on how the prices acted. So based on how the prices acted, so from a price action point of view, an absolute pump and dump today. And what gives me the right to say that? Well, let's just, map out kind of the anatomy of the day. And to give some credit where credit's due, the price started off with a beautiful, beautiful breakout of this former area of resistance right here at the 8-cent mark. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, and 8 cents, the price just could not get above it. Rejected, rejected, rejected. But right there, finally the breakout occurred. So that's where, quote unquote, the move started. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but once the move got started, I mean, the thing blasted all the way up to there. So that's the first part of a pump and dump, right? There's got to be a great movement. And right there, you got to give credit where credit's due. That was a great movement. The next part of the definition is, and then everything happens within a relatively small amount of time. And I mean, considering this all happened in the exact same day, hopefully we can agree, yeah, this happened in a pretty small amount of time. And then the next part is the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. And where did we all just, where did the technical chart say it started? Well, it started at that breakout location. Where did the price close? Actually down there. So not only did it go back to the breakout point right there, it just kept going a little bit lower all the way down to there. So that's why I say a total pump and dump today. But the good news is pump and dumps, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, can create some very big snapback type bounces. I mean, you can have something that looks like it's game over, and then all of a sudden just kaboom, it snaps back around. So is that going to happen here? I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but if there is going to be any sort of chance at a movement back to the upside, now it's all about that 8-cent mark there. So keep a close eye on 8 cents as that initial area of resistance. And if the price can break up through there, next key level would be right up there around 0.087. As far as levels of support are concerned, that pink line right there represents the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average within the world of technical analysis. And you can see right there, it's slightly up above it. So from a technical point of view, definitely want to see the price stay up above it moving forward. But yeah, as of now, what a crazy chart. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.